Hello? Can you hear me? Ha. Yay. Sorry. That was not expected. Should be good. You should be not hearing anything. Very, very little music. Is it good? Okay, perfect. Amazing. Sorry about this. Okay. So I didn't expect it. I was changing a little bit my config and I made some mess overall. So cool. Okay. So yay! I'm very happy about everything. I'm currently disabling the scene switcher. So yay! So no, things are pretty good, and thank you for being here and always letting me know when the music is too loud or anything is going to be hopefully not going to breaking you up too much. So amazing. Oh, there is also Yuri. Ah, nice. Okay. Hi, folks. Everybody. So, what are we going to do today? I'm going to keep working on the scalable queue system and finishing the last touches of it, I think. And I think at least one of them was a bug on Platformatic. So yeah. Before we start, there is a couple of things very important for you that are using Node.js. First, Node.js releases are coming out today. These are actually very important releases, so please go update. Second, Undici got a Napa security release too, and I released it on Monday, but I actually published the CVEs today, so that is out. And then last one, Fastify Multipart got a security release on Tuesday. So this week is actually hell of a security release week, which is, I don't know, probably not great or probably too great. I'm sorry if you have to go and scramble to get all your system patched and released and bring them up to speed. So please, yeah, anyway, what can we do? Security. So, and not through obscurity. So you got the fixes and you got the CVs and responsible disclosure and all the things that entail. I also want to thank all the people doing security work in Node because they're great. So please, thank them if you can or if you see them. A lot of people have been working on these massive security releases. So thank you, folks. They would be good, actually. I think there is Raphael is actually one of the releasers and is actually sitting down doing releases exactly as we speak. So maybe when we finish, we will have the stuff done. So where are we? We can go back to. We can think we start working. Oh no, Yuri, I'm so sorry. You're just leaving us. Could you stay? Who cares about your meeting? You should actually stay. You should not you should not do the meetings. The meetings are boring. Better stay without meetings. Cool. Anyway, so let's get started. And in order to do that, I need to start this up. And then we are back here. Here we go. And I need you guys. And here we go. Okay. And I need you guys over here too. Here we go. Okay. So I have all of you in the chat. And so it's all done. Oh, I need to actually, put this back here. Good. Here we go. You see, we are adjusting this screen. Cool. Okay. So going back here, the scalable queue system, we had Vim. Oh, this I can stop. Okay. So here we had a couple of. So what is a scalable queue system? You might ask. Okay, is this project? So it's a scalable queue system. Here we go. You can find it here. Yeah, I'm passing it in the chat too, so you can take a look. And I'm actually pinning it. So we are currently finishing off these to do. So there is investigate remaining to dos and then refactor test that so that there is little repetition. Okay. So one of our so I just want to see what are our to dos. Okay. So let's try some magic on grep. So grep to do plugin.js, lib. Sorry about this. Lib star and test star. Okay, we have a lot of to-dos and plus one to do that I actually forgot to mark as a to-do, which is actually what is trigger me mostly on this one. Where it was, oh yeah, this one. Okay, this is okay, and no, yeah, this one. Add items. Okay, this is a to-do. Okay, so let's go back and check this one because this is, I think, is a bug on Platformatic, which I think would be very, very interesting for us to take a look at. And when it happened, I was not happy at all that this actually happened. So items ID, and when it was not a good error, what it came out of it. So items ID when. Okay, this is what I did, and then I need to move this up. Okay, and let's run this. Node test. This is the cron one, right? This is the cron file. Yep, cron. Yep. Okay. And okay. Oh, items. So it's not items anymore. This is messages now. It was rebranded. Okay. Yeah. Cannot read properties undefined. Reading field nodes. Ooh. Don't like this. Very scared. Should I scare about a bug? I'm very scared about this bug. So let's see how we debug it. So first of all, we turn the logger on. And then with the logger on, we got this nice error here. And cool. It seems a bug in Platformatic. So npx pino pretty, and let's see how it go. What does that look like? Okay. So here it's cannot read wrapper resolve relations and lib relationship.js line 62. Oh gosh. Okay, I know that file. I don't like that file. So okay. So what is this is about? So this is a test, the save something. Okay, and so messages, okay. So the query is valid, I think, and because messages as, where is it? Messages cross, and yeah, as a reference to the cron. So we have the messages, okay. So but the test is failing. Oh come on, I did that mistake. Okay, well let's see where is the problem, because I think I wrote a test there that's doing that exactly that. So okay. Oh, and by the way, if you have any questions about Node.js or anything, just let me know. So where are we going? So this is this. So we need to go and apply Platformatic. Okay, and Vim, and it's in SQL, GraphQL, lib relationship, and this is at line 62. Okay, 62 field nodes. It's empty in the info object. How come this is empty in the info object? How come it's possible? How come it's possible? Like this seems an impossible test because that comes from GraphQL. Character 48, where is it? This is empty. So resolve relations, okay. And it's probably here, but we are passing it through. This seems very, very weird. Let's try to put some logs in here. SQL GraphQL, lib, relations. Okay. And I just want to know the info object. Okay. Oh, it's undefined. Great. Let's print everything. All of this seems there correctly. That's probably too much. So let me print the info. Sorry. Info is empty. So I'll if info is empty, single user cache, it's empty because it's passing through, which is correct, that's empty. It's correct because it's a loader. Like if it was a loader, then it, so basically this is creating, so what is this file doing? This file is establishing, handling how the relations in Platformatic are connected with each other. So you have one relation that is your main object's been, so you have one type, this is the main table that's being returned. Then there is another one, they have a relationship between each other. Sorry about this, 1 second. Ouch. There was something that was, I don't know, messing up with my ears or something. I don't know. So, okay, where are we? So this is so weird because we have resolve relations and this is goes to a scalable queue system and the single user cache. This single user cache is what provides us the loader system. So, which is what we need right now. Yeah, but this is resolvers and not loaders. How do we end up in here to begin with? Like, makes no sense. The loaders is here. So, okay, loaders. Ha! Yeah, the relationship is created correctly, but for some reason it's not working as I expect in that specific query when I save something up. So, okay, if you see it, let's go back in the example. In the example, you see this is a mutation where I'm saving something and I'm also want to read something at the same time. And that does not seem to be working, but I think it's mostly correct. I think it's mostly correct because these can come, like, look at this. So I think when we set this up, it has a loader's current type, and when we do this, we are setting it up in this way. So this is what is causing us the problem, because this then comes from here. So we are kind of overriding it at that point, I think. So let me try the fix and see if so. And I need to do some refactoring here. Let's try the fix in. So what I typically do when I find a bug in another module, I typically fix it in trunk inside my node modules folder and see that my current has passed. Then I try to migrate and upgrade it to the upstream, so the upstream source. So let's see if that works. What do you do? Do you edit things, patch things inside node modules, or you go straight upstream? Here we go. Okay. Okay. Aha. Okay. And okay. Okay. So here we can do that. And here we just do if there is info, we can just to search dot fields. Oh, okay. Now it's still failing. 63. Coming request. Resolve relations. Oh, yeah, my bad. Yeah, I had the wrong editor open. So I need here. 63. Okay, let's run it. Let's see how it goes. Still failing. Undefined. Okay. What? No, I made a mess. Oh, this is actually correct though. I might be doing something very wrong here. Might. So. Oh, yeah, but this is, sorry, not true. Sorry. This is correct then. Okay. It's passing. Message is null. Okay. I want to know exactly what's being returned. Okay. It's empty. Why it's empty this? To search. Yeah, this reply. Yeah, but I don't like this. Why it's 58? What is on line 58? Yeah, that. Yeah, that's. Huh. Yeah, the line is correct, I think. It says that if we don't have something, we will fill it in. So it seems good. Oh, cron ID. Ooh. Wait a second. This is a problem. Sorry. This seems to become more and more interesting by the time we go. Okay. So we are running it and we got the object. Oh, this is an array. Ooh. This seems, I think this is wrong. It's fundamentally wrong. Is this? Yeah, that was it. Now, I don't know what else that broke, but that fixes this. Okay, let's restore it from where it was. And okay. This is not passing, but because we went over the test number, and so here we have added 2 more things. And so if I add the 2 more things, I need to go in 41 and make it 8. Yeah, this is now passing. So I don't know what I've done here though. Like I have removed the problem, which is this line here, 37. Basically what it happens is the resolver does not offer the same signature as a loader. That makes it's actually sense. But why did I add this line to begin with? This is part of the challenge. Okay, I have no clue. So, and I think I know why I could not reproduce it here. So, okay. Push D packages SQL GraphQL pm test. Oh, it's not 3 and cost. Okay. Let's see. Let's run it and let's see how it goes. So. It's tester passing, tester running. And by the way, have you updated to Node.js? This is just for all of you that just tuned in. At line 31, the size must be length. Line 31. No, I think it's a set. I think it's a set. I'm pretty sure it's a set. I don't know. Yeah, which minor and patch, you know, it's coming out. New patches and new minors are coming out today. So test failed. Yeah, we have lost coverage. How it's possible? It's covered anyway, so okay. Yeah, here, let's put it back. So I'm putting this back to where it was, and I'm going to start. You should probably use, so if you are developing Node.js on Windows, you might develop with Node.js on Windows, you probably want to use something called NVS, Node Version Switcher. It's this project, and if you're developing with Node.js on Windows, it allows you to download multiple versions and upgrade to multiple versions of Node. So you could, for example, just switch between various versions, and if everything works as expected, it would work. I would actually recommend you significantly to try this out, because if you don't, because you really want to be able to switch between multiple versions, okay? Yeah, look, it will be very cool to do some projects on Windows, but I don't have. Oh, if you are and work in WSL. Whoa, hi James. I'm glad to have you here. How are things going? I don't want to know why you know that N works in WSL. So what is N? Okay, if you go npm.im N, it's a project that you can download from. Yeah, this is N, and that's it. It's pretty cool. Oh, so you're taking a break and you're tuning in and debugging the mess that I wrote, okay, for Platformatic. So cool. Oh, I didn't know you were such a good user of Windows, James. I know you loved Windows. Maybe not. You're just reading from the README. Okay. So basically, if I remove this from here, okay, everything keep working. Yay! So let's try again. Debugging other people's messages. So much fun. So I'm not breaking any tests and things are working, keep working as expected. This is not a good sign. Yay. Cool, it's going. Look, this can be, yeah, this. So MariaDB, so Postgres is 100% code coverage. Yeah, all is passing. So I don't even have to do anything here. Minus, yeah, I need to restore this up. And I need to write a test. Okay. Okay. How do we do that? Okay. Relation from save. Oh. Read relation from save test.js. Okay. And let's see which one. Relations. Relations could be a good starting point. No, not fail. Handle multi-reference. This seems about what. Look, I don't even need this file, this added file. I just can put it here at the end. Okay. Okay. Test should handle reads from save. Okay. So we don't need this query. And we are deleting this. We are deleting this query. Cool. Okay. Then it's a post. So we are books and authors. Okay. And a book as an author ID. As an author ID. Okay. Well, we don't need another author ID. Just need an author ID. Okay. Okay. We just need an author ID. Here we go. Okay. Queen. So we are saving the author and the books. And let's say that, so the author as, so we are updating the author and we want to get the, so the author is changing name. Okay. And okay. Here we have that save station, save author input and ID1. This is Mark Cho, and we want the books with their IDs and their titles. And this should pass. Yeah. Oh. Something failed at some point. Interesting. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is one input. Yeah. Cool. Okay. It's not passing. Great. Yeah. Oh. Sorry. Oh, it's not passing. Let's put an only true here. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. No. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oh, didn't work. Command unfound. Why? Oh, PC and specs. This is actually a question. I would actually need to set that up. So how do I set it up? I think I need to do to Fossabot, right? And so we can set it up, right? Okay. So we need to write the PC and my laptop. I stream using a laptop. Yeah, it's a MacBook Pro with, let me see what the name of the CPU of this thing. It's the M1 with Apple M1 Max CPU. It's 2022, I think, with Apple Mac 1 CPU, 64 gigabyte of RAM, and 2 terabyte of hard disk, I think, something like that. Yeah, it's a pretty beefy machine, to be honest. And then I also I'm using a camera, Sony Alpha 7 Mark IV, and mic is the what's the name of this thing? The Shure, the popular Shure one, Shure, and what the name is the Shure SMB, SM7B, I think, is this guy. Yeah. And so yeah, so 7B. Okay. And then I need the lens, and the lens is the Sigma 14-24 millimeter DN. And then we have the what do we have? Oh, the Keychron keyboard is a Keychron K7. Let's call it specs. Okay, and here we go. Do you reach maxing out with 64 gigabytes of RAM? I have to say I actually did, but I have opened quite a huge amount of Chrome tabs. On top of that, there is Docker running on my machine with, I don't know, maybe 10, 20 containers running at any given time, plus Visual Studio Code. No, plus Vim. I don't use Visual Studio Code. Plus Vim, plus various editing program, video, audio. I keep everything open all the time. But yeah, I've maxed it out. Yeah, I had, unfortunately, like I really love this machine. This was brilliant. Okay, it's the only moment, but I tend to I use it. I'm using it heavily. But look, you probably almost never need 64 gigabyte of RAM on one of those machines. So anyway, keyboard, Keychron Key7, and the mouse. Oh, and then I used an Apple Magic Mouse. Apple Magic Mouse. I think it's the Magic Mouse. Apple Magic Mouse. Yeah, I need a better mouse. Okay, like I use this, the one that you charge, like a dead cockroach. You know, it's a piece of whatever. Anyway, if you got a better mouse recommendation for me, like I use this thing, but look, it's what it is. So, if you have a better mouse recommendation, please let me know. I really need to update it. MX Master Mouse. What are you saying, James? Master Mouse. The Logitech one. Okay, this was on my list of things that I was thinking. So yeah, it's Logitech. Yeah, no, I was planning to move away from Apple. Something that was a little bit more ergonomic, I think. Seems I have a lot of buttons too, which I kind of need at this point in time. Yeah, this is something that I might need to splurge some money on. Anyway, so this is Apple Magic Mouse. So, yeah, I also have Elgato capture card. Camlink 4K. Oh, I don't know. Here we go. Okay, I've added it here. Oh, Haha. Oh, I look. I don't need cables. I need less cable in my life, not more cables. So I need less cables. And look, as much as I like my keyboard even. Yay! You see? Yeah, I can actually improve the stuff a little bit, probably. Yay! Yep. I have a little bit more setup to do, but and Elgato Cam Link 4K. Yeah, it's amazing. Look, it's probably on all of this, it's the best life-changing equipment that I bought. Also, the camera, to be honest, since I bought the Sony Alpha 7, things improved quite a bit from the camera-wise and the recording. But truth is, the major improvement on the audio quality that the Shure gave me, it's like bananas. Yeah. I have also the Rodecaster Pro 2 for mixing things, but it's mostly to control everything else. So cool. Okay, so where were we? We are completely lost on the things, and this is the test failed. And why the test fail? Sorry, test failed. Books status code. Oh, yeah, it failed because yeah. Oh no, stay with me, James. I love being I can be your silent buddy or your rubber duck. Okay, it was fun having you. Okay, now it's working. Okay, this is actually working. And it's working, but I have not changed anything here. Like, this was supposed to not be working. Is it passing through that specific block of code? Okay. Yeah, it is. It is. But it has an info object, I presume. Yeah, it does. It does. And why the heck this doesn't? This is unbelievable. This is passing. What are we doing here that's so different? Okay. Oh. No. We say this is a new thing. Okay. This is different, actually. This is slightly different, but... Sorry, I don't understand why this is not working. So, okay. Restore the problem. And I don't need this. I need this. I want the object. I want to know the foreign dot type and the object. and lowered. This is the cron. Sure. So here it's okay, sorry. Oh yeah, this is to string. Okay, it's a cron and we set it to messages. Okay. I think it's just an order of sorry. This it's completely bananas. Completely bananas. Current no. This is console log current types, current type to string. Message cron. It's oh yeah. It's okay. Street tables. Okay, let me try to see if I move this block. I just want to be okay here. I'm just printing the same line. Okay, if I'm printing the same line, current type book. Ha. We need to kind of reproduce the full problem, I think. So, okay. So we need, so we have the author ID. Okay. What other tables have we got available here? Okay. So here, tables, categories, editors, or categories. Let's do categories. Okay. So let's see that. Okay, I need to create a table categories. And this is a name. And then here as this is, yeah. And this is category D. Okay. Okay. And then these two, we will need to add it back here too. Okay. Then I need here categories. Okay. Then I need the to set up all the foreign keys. Okay. And then I need, whoop, 414. Okay. And finally, I need Postgres. Let's copy my SQL. Oh, but this is it's the same. So here, we need to put it here, and we need to put it here. Oh, no, it's different. Sorry. Is this TDD? Yes, this is TDD. I am actually trying to write the test before I write the fix. Or in other terms, I figure out what the fix should look like. I am figuring out the test for it at this point, mainly because this was triggered by the other project. So I needed to, I already know what the solution is, but I need to essentially reproduce it in this one. Okay, so we have done this. Okay, so we have this. Then we need the category. Okay, and the category is categories. And the category is name is sci-fi. Cool. And here is Mark is writing in sci-fi. And the book is it has this duplicated information. Cool. And we need to write the categories too. Insert categories. 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 Okay. Ooh. What mess did I made? This is not correct. There is some problem in my Postgres definition. I am actually missing a comma. Oh. Sorry. Save authors. Sorry. Ooh. Categories already exist. But I thought we were cleaning it up. We are cleaning it up. Ah. Dang. I need to move it beforehand. Okay. So. Oh. It's violating something. It's violating something. What's the problem? It's violating something. Ooh, yeah, no, I made a mess. Okay. So relation category already exists. Yeah. And it's not dropping it. Yeah, no, this is, no, but that's correct. So that's correct. It needs to stay down here. No, this was actually right because we are essentially, we are setting up our, okay, so now I can, still not complaining. Nutrition categories, why it's not working? Already exist. How is possible? How it's possible? What do I think of Rust? It's a phenomenal language. Not, I think it's not a language for everybody though. So that's probably said it all. It's not, yeah, I don't think it's a language for everybody. So it's a language for people that know what they are doing and what they want to do, essentially. So, yeah. Editors. Ooh. So, wait. So we have authors and books. Ah, that's the problem. Here we go. Here we go. Found the problem. This is now reproduces correctly. Yes. Yeah, I changed it. Yeah, I changed it and it actually triggered the problem, I think. Wait. Now it's failing. I cannot create. Okay, just a second. What is happening here? Oh, I don't think we should specify this. Let me try. And yeah, it's not really working as I would expect it. Okay. This is failing because it's not inserting my categories. What is going on here? Category status code. Why is not liking my categories? So, okay. Let's see. Oh, category input. Very stupid mistake on my side. Okay. 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 What? So if I run this multiple times, sometimes it's passing, sometimes not. So cool. So this is author book, and here is passing is author book, so that there is some console log. Author book is passing. I think there is okay, and this just failed, and this is book author. So this is it's not an ID. It's Tmax plus Vim. So that's what I'm using here. It's pretty cool, I think. I really like doing Tmax plus Vim, especially on stream. But look, I'm not a fan of VS Code either. So, but I'm using some of this stuff like the language server and other bits that they have open sourced. Okay, so this is fun. So it depends on the order of the tables. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't think I can make it any more reproducible than this. Let's see if this removes the problem and makes the test non-flaky, and then we can call it a day. It seems very stable now. Okay. So something that we can do, it's so we want to run this command forever until it fails. Okay. So look, we can try something. Okay. Let's try ChatGPT and let's see if ChatGPT can tell us if how to run a bash command until it fails. Maybe it knows it. Close. Okay. How do you run a bash command until it fails? Let's see if ChatGPT knows what I'm going to do. It's thinking. Ooh, nice. It seems a... Seems cool. Okay. So we can try this. Copy code. Cool. So what we can do then is vim tester.sh. Okay, and here I'm just copying these up. And let's see if this passing. Let's see. Maybe we want it. Let's ask ChatGPT. I only want to run it for 100 times. Let's see what it says. Oh, I have no clue if your ChatGPT is too slow. I have no idea. This is slow. But, you know, there is this nice upgrade to Plus button that if that people want to, for $20 a month, and you could start using it and anytime. So it's pretty cool. He knows Bash, by the way. Ah, nice. It does this thing. Cool. Let's do that. So for, what did he say? Oh yeah, for E. Yeah, 1,000 times. 1,000 times. 1,000 times, not 100 times. Let's do 1,000 times. Oh, syntax error. What did I do wrong? And oh, I clicked the wrong one. And what did I do? Oh, it's not done, it's do. Yes, sorry. Here we go. So this is going to run it 1,000 times. And let's see if our task's crashing after 1,000 run. 1,000 run. You know, that's how what you typically do to test and verify if a test is flaky. Okay, you just want to run it a lot of time to be sure. Seems correct. Let's ship it. Yes. Do we have an emoji for ship? Do we have the ship emoji here? We don't. How can I add a ship emoji? Do I need to unblock them somehow? I don't think we have a ship emoji. Yeah, this seems anyway. That's seems pretty confident, right? And so okay, let's run the same script with the be MySQL. Tap only. So now you know why I have a very beefy machine, so that I can. Ooh, this didn't work as expected. Drop table categories. Ooh. Okay. So here. Oh. Yeah. Oh yeah. I made a mess with my MySQL table here. Here. This is SQLite, and this is MySQL. And okay, why is this complaining? It's complaining because it's missing a comma here. Okay. Okay, it's passing on MySQL too. So, okay. Seems about correct. We can remove the console log. Okay. And then we can go back here. And there is a console log. And I can... Yeah, I probably need to add same data. It's save author, ed1, books. Cool. Harry. Okay. Cool. I even updated the tests while they're running, okay? So if you're just joining the stream, you will see that we have automated test runnings doing 1,000 test runs, and I changed even a little bit of them while they were running. Anyway, they were doing 1,000 test runs to remove flaky tests. Fun, which is a lot of fun. Yay. So, they're asking me if I live in Italy. I do. I live in beautiful Forlì, Italy, which is a really nice, tiny, small city, about 100,000 people. It's great. I love living here. I grew up here, and I moved back here a few years back. Before I lived in Bologna for 10 years, Ireland for half a year, and 3 years in Cervia, nearby. Can EU citizens do that, live and work in any EU country? Absolutely. That's the whole point of the EU. And it's great. You know, it's actually great. I love living in the EU. And you don't need even a visa to travel around, just travel around. Okay, you can stay where you want to, but you can go and move, but you still need paperwork though to live and work in any EU country. But it's actually straightforward to get it. Like you don't need to do any you don't ask. It's just paperwork and bureaucracy that you need to do to register yourself in another country. It's not that they can block you to do that. Okay, but it's great. Okay, so. And I don't know why the British wanted to leave. It's phenomenal. Okay, it's been phenomenal, but mostly probably for us going to live in London, not for them coming by. I don't know, maybe. So anyway, it's fun. So I think this thing is going on forever. I don't know how long do you think this is going to still run? I want to open my PR. Okay, well anyway, I'm going to kill it. It's going to pass anyway. So I am going to run a PMPM test here. Mainly because I just want to check if I haven't broke anything, any other tests or something with my changes. And then we're going to open up the PR. Ooh, yeah, no, I've done some stuff that I should not have done. And this is a console log that I should not have done. Okay. Remove the console log. Where do you live, folks? Do you live in the US? Do you live in Brazil? Do you live in South America? Do you live in Canada? You know, those are kind of good times. Or do you live in the EU and you're a fellow Italian folk? Or where are you from? 401 unauthorized. Why do you prefer PMPM? This is actually a very good question. I use the best tool for the job in this kind. Oh, wow. How do you find China these days? I've never been. I actually want to visit. I want to visit multiple times. And so PMPM, let me show you the fundamental reason that I use PMPM. So workspaces. I use PMPM because of workspaces. And they have these phenomenal features that I need. And there is this workspace protocol, which is this. And it's a game freaking changer because you can actually put a freaking workspace star in your dependency chain. And when you go publish your npm module, it will be substituted, it will be transformed correctly on npm publish. So it's great. I don't have to do anything. Okay. So this is the fundamental reason why I am in absolute love with PMPM workspaces. And I think it's one of the best features that were added overall. There are other ways to do releases here with PMPM, but it's actually way for complicated stuff. Codebender 828. What do you do with Chakra UI? Are you developing Chakra UI? In the meanwhile, my test is running. A lot of them. And by the way, if you are somebody that knows MySQL and why these warnings are happening all the time. Oh, you maintain Chakra UI view. I have no clue of. I'm really bad front-end developer. Can do, but not my. It's not my best thing. So huge respect to you that maintain a front-end framework. So it's Chakra UI view. Okay. This guy. Build accessible web with speed. Yay, man. Very good. Very, very good. And follows way area standards. Amazing. Oh, you're doing the full TypeScript rewrite. Do you like TypeScript then? Are you a fan? Oh, all my tests passed. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah, I need to fix remove wrong loader setup due to introspection order. Okay. And this is just oh yeah, my bad. This is needs to be git checkout. Oh, I like TypeScript when I need to do certain things, and I love that code completion. So I typically put types on my projects, but when I'm coding, I think it blocks my creativity. So that's why I typically don't use it. And a lot of other people that do like low-level stuff feel the same. They feel like kind of blocked a little bit. I'm fighting all the time. I'm doing TypeScript. I'm fighting with the TypeScript compiler. So possibly I need to do a lot of courses on TypeScript, advanced stuff, so that I can map my code. What I'm currently doing with JavaScript in TypeScript, I don't feel that barrier. But at this point in time, it doesn't. I don't know. It doesn't feel nice. So okay, SQL, GraphQL, and I need to dash b wrong loader setup. And I need this is as a commit instead. I was talking and I got confused. So okay. Cool. It's actually linting everything. I'm very happy about this. I love it. That's linting all the projects in the amazing. Yeah, I know. That's yeah, I know. JSDoc is a miracle, and that's actually what we recommend with most of Fastify stuff. Just put some JSDoc there, you get the auto completion, and you're grand. Like you don't need precise type most of the time for very good auto completion. So yeah, these PR fixes problem in complex where a loader could be configured wrongly. Configured due to ordering of the introspection queries. Okay, this was discovered as part of, and then I need to plug this. Ooh, what did you send, Pato is fun? A TypeScript fix? And I need here cron. So I remember this was done for this. To fix. Okay. Patoy. Okay. Let's see. Can you post the link, Patoy? I would very happy take a look and we can review it live. Yay, okay. Cool. This seems about what it would look like. Who are we reviewing it? Let's ask Marco and Ivan to review this. Okay. Ooh, lot of stuff. 79. By the way, this morning there were 0. So it's 79 new notifications. And there's Node private too. Oh, let's check. Did they see if the Node releases came out? Okay. Let's see. And yeah, they're coming. They're not out yet. Node.js releases are not out yet, but they're coming out soon. So, okay. And yay. Oh, you posted. Oh. Ha. Oh. Um. Oh, old one. Yay. No, you did. Wow. Oh, you should send more contributions, Patoy. Send more to Fastify. We need you. We need everybody. Look, if you go here and we go in label, there is a lot of bugs. Lot of bugs. Two, actually. Not a lot, but two. Yay, thank you. Okay. Anyway, lot of stuff. Cool. This is my APR is now running, I think. Did I close it by accident? I think it's running. Oh, there's a few things here, changes. Yeah. So these actually add some interesting stuff. And say you're to Rob. Hi, Rob. And here it says that if you're going to use JSON schema for writing the validation of your routes, you could use typebox, or you can use typebox. So LGTM, and we can land it. Land it. Okay, landed APR. Great. And yay, let's see. Let's look at this one. And it's open. And yeah, he has not replied. Test are passing. Yeah, but we probably need some more information here. Cool. Okay, so the first one that we've done is we are in the scalable queue query, and look, we just need to, unfortunately, we can go back here. This is our scalable queue system, and reality is we just need to stash our changes because we cannot do it. So, okay, so we are back to our grep and our to-dos. And we have add transaction, transactions, and the test. Oh, this one is easy. Add a test with an invalid cron string. Okay, so here we can cron to do add a test with an invalid cron string. Cool. So we can do that. Let's solve at least one issue on that one. Yep. Invalid cron string. And here, so saving queue, and the cron string instead is, here is hello world. That's not a valid cron string. Do you know what a cron string is, folks? It's actually pretty cool. So, okay, so here, so we don't need, and we need to remove some of the stuff. So we don't need, we don't need the target. Well, we don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need the target, to be honest. We don't need this. Okay. We need the, okay, so I have dropped 184. We don't need that. We don't need any of this. Okay. So why we don't need them? Because it's those were used to wait for something that was coming. So and then I can just node test cron. Let's see how this fails, because it will fail. Okay, yeah. So okay. And let's console log the body. Okay, and this is, ooh. No, just a second. Query. How? This is, it fails, but not with error that I would expect it to. Validation error. Can oh, it might be that's actually an error from, let me see. Okay, validation error. Yeah. This is actually the correct error. Okay. Yeah, but I probably want a different error message. Okay, so here it needs to be errors and message. Okay. And here is same invalid cron string. Yep. So now this is failing. Yep. And yep. And I am in here cron. Okay. So and let interval try. Okay. Catch. Okay. And so I am fixing bugs in, I'm resolving to-dos, sorry, in the Unscalable Queue query. It's this project here, sorry, it's Unscalable Queue System is this thing here. It's a tiny queue thing built on top of Platformatic, the software, the startup that I'm currently building. And it's just an example project that essentially provides you a webhook system. So you could essentially put something in the queue and tell, call me this URL, now or in the future or at a given cron point in time every now and then. It's called unscalable because it just runs on SQLite right now. So it's unscalable. I think these will probably be called platformatic hooks or something, or platformatic webhooks, and you will see a lot of it, to be honest, because it's actually very handy. And this is const err, so we can do err.cause err and then throw error. And let's see if I have other type of errors. And no, I don't. Okay. So let's see if this passes now. Ooh, it's not passing. Oh, it's running cron expression. And it's actually correct this time. Okay. Okay, we have added this test. And oh, it's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this is done. Okay. We have added our test. Okay, we have removed the logger. And yeah, seems pretty good. So npm test. Okay, it's running. So we're getting that all the tests are running for our little queue system. It's really great. Git status, git diff. Okay, so we have resolved one to do. Love it. So to-dos. So this is the Unscalable Queue System. I think. Now, what should I call it? This is cron expression error. Okay. Better error for message for wrong cron expression. Oh, really? How did it go? So Patay developed something similar for the Hungarian eGov. How did it go? Did you like it? Was it a good project? What are the main pitfalls of this design? Here we go. Yeah, this is open source, so you can actually take it and reuse it. Do you live in Hungary, Patay? Okay, this is running. Message sizes are limit. Yes. I don't think we have a limit here, but we probably should have a limit. And let's see. Did my test pass are still running? Oh my goodness. This still running. Windows. Windows. It's always Windows the problem, folks. I'm sorry. So. Okay. So the PR was done, and do we have a database was CouchDB? Wow, it's Couch. Does anybody else have experience on Couch? I really like Couch as a concept. In fact, is the antecedent of the world serverless, Lambda, DynamoDB, everything. If you look into it, Couch was like 10 years, maybe 15 years before its time when it came out. And do we have a limit for the message, though? We don't. I think we should have a limit on the body length here. This is a text, and this should be a limit. What do you think the limit will be? Yeah, I think you need at least 3 instances of couch. Otherwise, how do you replicate? Okay. Okay, so what are the rest to do? So git checkout main, git pull, and here um 10 megabits. So okay. Sorry, QBLLR underscore. I don't, what's the flow here? I'm kind of losing you. So what's the question? QBowler. Wow, QBowler. Ah, amazing. I couldn't pronounce it. I couldn't guess. So here is a add item in the README. Git push. Okay. And what are the other bits that grep? Grep. Oh, to do? No? Yeah, okay. So then we have, this is tough. Why, if this throw the error is, the error is not logged. Okay. Oh, I wrote a to do. Yes. It depends. So if typically I leave some to dos in place when I for tangential topic. Typically is either error conditions or other stuff that I know I need to come back to, and I put a to do, write down why I did not do. Um, uh, uh, why I did not do my main things, and that's it really. So, yeah. So I typically, it's just a parking lot, okay? And I might never get back to it, but the person that maybe another colleague will know, then there was something that was in my head and I leave it as a to-do to investigate. So in this specific case, I know what the problem is, and but I don't think it should. So this is investigate why the error is not logged correctly by GraphQL. And is there more of this kind of to-dos here? Okay. It's kind of the same problem. It's actually the same block of code too. So, okay. So let's try running this and let's see how it is. So npx plt db start. Ooh, lot of things. Okay, so localhost 3042 graphical. Yeah. So I need to do, oh, do we have something? We already have some queues. You already have some? Oh, operation not allowed. Whoops. I need a header here. And I need a header. cat.env. And this is a secret. Okay. So this is the secret. So here I need X Platformatic admin secret, and this is a secret. Okay. Oh, there's none. Yay, yes. Okay, so let's say that I'm doing another subscription mutation. Save message, I think what it was, and here is message and insert and save. Yeah, same block. So save message, and we need the okay. This seems correct. Yeah. Well, typically that's typically quality of service 1. So when you can building distributed system, you can have quality of service 0 or essentially best effort. You might receive a call or you might not. Then there is typically it's at least once, which is only once the message is delivered only once to you. Okay. Well, it's delivered at least once, so it can deliver multiple times, or there is at most once, which is the message is delivered once or not at all. So, yeah, it's great. But the last one is way more expensive. So the message is actually logged correctly, I think. Like this is, yeah, but this is correct. Oh, but this is. Okay, so this is so why is this to do is there? Don't remember at all. So we have the input should be now, so we're not even specifying this. This is actually empty. I'm doing this. Yeah. Oh, I need this stuff copied over. Yeah, well, we need the QAD. So but okay. Did I input when? Oh, what is executor? I don't understand this. I don't think this is needed. I don't think this is needed. Let me see what this look like, but I am pretty sure this is not needed. I don't think it's needed. So the to do's, okay. How many we still have? Okay, and then we have, so we added that, and we need to add the chew for transactions. Okay. And I don't think there is time for the transaction, and I need to actually go and feed my kid. So yay, it's I think removed, not needed, try catch. Okay, and I'm pushing things up. And we are creating a pull request. Okay, this first one, it's still, this is running now. And this is the better message for cron expression, and it got deployed as tiny violet language reaction in the deployed space. And here we go, and it's there. Here we go. It's a little app. Cool. Let's merge this. At some point, we need to develop a UI, an admin UI. Git commit IAM message is shorter. I don't know. I've never used the -a flag on commit. So does -a does store do the signature stuff and the sign off at all? Yeah, probably yes. Yeah, I'll try next commit. So cool, we have these open and these, whoa, these actually passed. Cool, I'm very happy. Very happy this fix was done. Cool. So thank you very much for joining with me today. I am very, look, it's 7:30 in here, almost 7:20 here, very close to be 7:30. So I am very, very, I'm happy that I was able to stream today. And I am so glad that you came by and you spent some couple of hours with me. So thank you. And I wait for you next Monday. If you want to join more or less at the same time, I will be streaming. So yay. I hope this was nice. And make sure to subscribe to YouTube. In case you miss one of the videos, you can catch up on what happened. So, and so on. So thank you, folks, and see you next Monday. Bye-bye.